Alright, welcome to Code 5 Art. Today's another letter study. And as always, I'm going to have videos for all these previous letters. Looking at these, this brings us to letter H. Alright, I'm going to jump right in and let the music roll, and let's time-lapse this. Those are looking pretty sweet. I'll show you what I want to do for the accent today. Let me just get one done first. We're going to do the outside, this 10. Go down to a 2 for the little accents on the middle. And I know someone might ask, what do these numbers mean? I don't know. I think millimeters? No, millimeters is right here. These are the markers I use. They have numbers, they correspond to the width of it, and that's all I got. If someone on the internet can correct me, that would be great. Let's get back to it. This cool. Finish those accents, and then this will be a wrap. Alright guys, you know what? I wasn't a big fan of G, but now H is probably the most fun I've had throughout this whole alphabet series. I don't even want to number them, but if you guys want to tell me what your favorite is, go right ahead. Just point it out. But thanks for watching. If you guys made it all the way through, stick around. I'll keep on going. Have a good one, guys.